Do you want to learn how to put text behind a person like this? I can show you. So we're going to go into CapCut. We'll bring it into our CapCut timeline. We'll duplicate the clip. And then the top clip is the one we're going to want to remove the background with. And we can do it with AI by clicking on auto removal. So it does it for you automatically. If you want to check it out, just hide the second layer, scroll through, and then you can see. If you need to fine tune it, you can always feather it. Okay, so now we're going to add the text. We'll click on the text tool, then we'll just drag the text layer on top for now. Make sure that you expand the text layer to go all the way throughout the video. And usually I like to do 2 text layers so we can put their first and last name. You can position them differently versus putting it on one layer, then it's just like straight across. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just put athlete and then name, position it to where you want it to be. Obviously when you play it back, you'll see that it's in front of her face, and we don't want that, right? We want it behind her. So we basically want to put both of the text in the middle, or you could just move the top layer on top. And since we already removed the background from the top layer, it's now behind the person. So now it looks great. And we can get fancy and play with it, and this is where it gets fun. We can click on the text layer, click on animation if we want to animate it in, and do the same thing for the second text layer. And then also if you wanted to animate out, you do the same thing, right? You just make sure you click on the out button and then choose whatever animation you want. Same thing for the other layer. And that's about it. So when you go ahead and play back that video, the text will be right behind your person. And that was about it. Anyway, support your girl and subscribe for more.